Welcome to Rune Conversations, where ancient wisdom becomes practical power. If you are ready to think clearly, act consciously, and strengthen your own sphere of influence, you are in the right place. Not everyone is ready to study the runes. And I know that might sound arrogant, maybe even make you feel a little bit uncomfortable. But stay with me for a moment, because this is not about exclusion, it's about something much deeper. When people first encounter the runes, they often see them as symbols, something to learn, interpret, or use. And yes, on the surface, that's true. But in practice, the runes are not just ideas. They are forces that shape how you experience reality. They don't just give you meaning, they amplify what is already happening inside of you. And that's where things become serious. Because if you are calm, grounded and clear, the runes will deepen that clarity. But if you are overwhelmed, fearful or unstable, they don't fix that. They amplify it. So let me bring you back to the question. What if the real issue is not whether you understand the runes, but whether you are ready for what they will reveal about you? There is a pattern that I've seen many times. Someone feels pressured in life. Fear, confusion, uncertainty. And instead of turning inward, they look for something external to explain it. Energy, dark forces, even curses or hidden influences. And then they come to the runes hoping to gain control over whatever it is. But the runes don't work like that. They don't help you to escape your state of being. They bring you into direct contact with it. So if there is fear, you will meet it more clearly. If there is tension, you will feel it more directly. If there is instability, it will become more visible. Not as a punishment, not as a threat, but as a truth. This is why readiness has nothing to do with knowledge or capability. You can memorize every rune. You can understand the system intellectually and still not be ready. Readiness is much simpler. Can you sit still without needing something to change? Can you feel discomfort without immediately reacting? Can you tell the difference between what you feel and what is actually happening? If not, then the runes is not the first step. The first step is to become ready. So, when I say not everyone is ready to study the runes, it is not a judgment from my side. It is a form of protection. Because once you begin the path, it will ask something very real from you. Not belief, not imagination, but presence, responsibility, and clarity. If you are drawn to the runes, that's already meaningful. But maybe the real question is not, am I ready to learn them? Maybe the question is, am I ready to become steady enough to meet myself without illusion? And that is the question you need to ask. If today's rune conversation gave you insight, practice it, share in the comments how this conversation speaks to you. I respond personally. Subscribe if you are committed to walking this path rune by rune. Until next time, walk in clarity.